Okay, Brittany, I got to be honest with you. I'm not liking the cold temperatures today. I'm hoping you're going to tell me it's going to get better.
Well, we have the 70s on the way this weekend through early
Look
next
at
week.
you.
Yeah, so just be patient.
Delivering when needed.
But right now, we're still in the 50s all around the tri-state, but at least we have some sun coming out. It's 53 in Central Park. It's also breezy northwest winds near 10 miles per hour. The forecast now up to 58, and that's below the average of 64. Sunset at 6:13, and still no measurable rain for the month so far in Central Park, and things are going to stay mainly dry for the rest of the 7-day forecast. Current numbers in the 50s all around the area. White Plains 53, Islip 55 degrees, Toms River 54 for you, and Morristown up to 55. Winds are getting stronger as expected out of the northwest, gusting up to 20 to 25 miles per hour, and things don't really let up throughout this afternoon and the overnight hours. It stays blustery all around the area. So there's elevated fire danger for parts of the tri-state because of this combination of gusty winds and very dry air. Any small spark could spread very quickly. On satellite and radar, we have a mixture of clouds and sun. Really a quiet afternoon, except for a few light showers, even a few snowflakes falling around western New York and upstate. A lot of that will stay north and west of our area. So for the rest of this afternoon, sun and clouds, mainly dry, temperatures in the 50s, and overnight clear skies. That will allow overnight lows to fall down into the 30s and the 40s, some areas dropping below freezing. But by Thursday afternoon, things start to rebound, all thanks to high pressure pushing in milder air. So tomorrow, near 60 on Friday, close to average, close to 66 degrees. And this weekend, we climb into the 70s all around the area, and we remain in the 70s through at least the first half of next week. In the tropics, we're watching two areas. This first area of low pressure in the southwest Caribbean Sea that has a very low chance of formation. But this area of low pressure in the central Atlantic, that could become a tropical depression by the end of the week as it gets closer to the U.S. Virgin Islands. Also at this time, it's going to run into a cold front, so that could block it and maybe steer it back out to sea. But we'll keep you updated on any changes. Today, 58 degrees, breezy, cool, mixture of sunshine and clouds, and chilly and clear for the Mets game this evening. First pitch, 52 degrees, northwest winds around 11 to 20 miles per hour, and for the late innings, the upper 40s. Tonight, 42, the 30s in some areas. That's why we have frost and freeze alerts again. 4 spots mainly north and west of the city, and now that includes eastern Suffolk County. But by tomorrow afternoon, 60 degrees, so maybe shedding some of the layers by this time tomorrow. Friday, 66, and then this weekend, Tanya David, 72. Saturday, look at Sunday, 75. Even Monday, 77 and
Keep going.
76.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Wednesday, 70s.
I knew you could do it. I knew you could deliver what we needed to hear.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Brittany.
Well, new effort from the FAA to study airport runways following a series of alarming close calls between planes on the tarmac.
And after a couple of joyous nights in the Bronx for Yankees fans, the Mets are back in action against the Dodgers tonight in Queens.
This Channel 7 AccuWeather Report is sponsored by Orange County Tourism. Pick OCNY, the fresh state of mind.
We're here in Orange County, New York.